Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chatsiri, or you can call me Chat for short. I am from Thailand and right now I am living in Germany. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the Boxycharm subscription box. I have been wanting to subscribe to the Boxycharm subscription box for a long time and finally I have. And right here with me I have the October box. And this is what come for this month. I already see one of my favorite brand, Glamglow, and I'm super excited. And of course they come with this paper. This box is called After Dark. Kind of suit the month October Halloween thing, but I don't know if these products here will be the Halloween theme, but we'll see. So in here we're gonna start with Glamglow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This retail for $28 and the box value $21 or $25, I'm not sure. I think it's $25 if you just get one box, but if you get 3 months you pay about $20. And then 6 months you pay a little bit less, and then of course the 1 year supply you pay the least. So this is gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolve makeup. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract. Vitamin E and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soft fragrance and SLES free. All skin types approved. As you can see, I don't have anything on my face. I actually just done working out and my skin felt a little bit dry, so I put a little bit of dry oil on my face. But I do want to try to use this to prep my skin. So the cream is kind of like pearl-like. Doesn't smell like the normal Glamglow product. But I will wet my face and I will be right back and I will try this with you guys. Oh, and just so you know, I have been using the Foreo. I don't know how to say this brand, but this Mini Luna 2, and I really enjoy using it to clean my face every evening. And now I'm gonna just squeeze some of the cleanser onto the Luna and start buffing. My skin feels subtle, but it's hard to tell on the first use, so I'm gonna keep using that and we'll see how it goes in 2 weeks. Next product is from Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This by itself retail for $32, which is already exceed the value of the box or the price of the box. An ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. That sounds promising. So I already read the instruction on this. It says to add the last step of skincare routine, apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve dewy and glowing skin. Applying 2 or 3 times allows for even longer lasting wear. So I just washed my face and now I'm gonna do my morning skincare routine, even though it's kind of in the afternoon. And if you don't want to watch me do that, I will put a time so you can skip forward and see me using this. Alright, now it's time for the Touch and Soul Glass Skin Balm. The packaging is kind of cute, but I don't know which one is top, which one is bottom. Oh, okay. I smell alcohol. I'm just gonna use this much. I feel like this kind of product is great if you already have like awesome skin. Like you don't need any makeup. I don't know, but maybe some people will use it as a primer, which I would do today. It's kind of make me think of sunscreen, like the texture and how it feels. Minus the sunscreen smell, of course. Do we see any different? Let me know in the comment down below. Feel like there's much different, but I'm afraid if I put more product it will be like greasy. Maybe this is designed to lock the moisture in after you put the moisturizer. I don't know, I mean my skin feels nice though. Next product is the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Iconic Lip Plumping Plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide which helps to support natural collagen production for modified and voluminous looking lips. That sounds really good, and it retails for $26. This is shade nearly nude. It smells minty and like cooling, but it's kind of normal for plumping gloss, so I'm gonna I forgot to show you the tips. This is what it looks like. I already feel icing and cooling on the lips, but it's not terrible. It just like have something cool on the lips. If you like gloss, plumping gloss and nude, this might be great product for you. I like gloss in general. Plumping I don't really care for, but it's interesting. It doesn't feel so sticky. I kind of like that. And next product we have Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. I never even heard of this brand. This comes in shade dark brown. Achieve effortlessly tame and tinted brows with Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, A lightweight non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. It retails for $16. Wow. I never think that this would cost $16. I mean, it looks like a drugstore product. But since it said it's good to use over powder or pencil, then I'm gonna do my eyebrow with some pencil and then I will put this on to see what it's like, and I will be right back. Okay, I just did a quick eyebrow and now it's time to try this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Oh, it's spoolie. I thought it would be like a brush. Now it makes sense. It smells chemically. That's dark. I guess you can use this to set your eyebrow hair. Not bad, I think. It might be a cheaper option for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Gel, but this one has smaller applicator, so it really depends on yourself. And the last product in the box is the, I don't think I can pronounce this brand, Jonteblu lip liner pencil. Let me just show you. I also never heard of this brand before. Master any desired lip color and produce long wearing staying power with this brand liner pencil. The creamy, highly pigmented formula glides on effortlessly and can be worn alone, used for flawless lip contouring or as a long-lasting base for any lip color. It retails for $5. Affordable price. I generally don't really use a lot of lip liner, but I'm opened. And I certainly don't have this color. It is nice cool tone red and it feels soft when I swatch it on my hand. So it feels firm but not stiff, and it's kind of smooth and glide on nicely, so that's really great. I know it looks super weird, so I'm gonna do my full face and I will be right back. And I'm back. This is the finished look of this look and I feel so much better that my face is full of makeup. And surprisingly, I do like the lip liner, even though it's just $5. It's affordable, which is great. Give you a different option. But for the eyebrows, I don't really like it that much because it doesn't hold that long as I do this makeup look. It just, like, my hair just came down like it was normally, so I had to go over with the Maybelline Great Lash, which I use it a lot, that the clear doesn't look clear anymore. So if you're hoping that that product will help set your eyebrow hair in place or hold it up when you brush it up, it's not gonna do. But if you just want to tint your eyebrow hair a little bit, which I would do that different day just to use it by itself without using a pencil or powder on my eyebrow, because it should give you a little bit more of a natural look. Anyway, what do you think of this makeup look? It's still October, Halloween period that I'm into, kind of like the vampy, smoky eye look. And also let me know in the comment down below what do you think of this box. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!